Hi guys, how you all doing? So today I just wanted to show you guys something for my Christian fellows and brothers. Okay, there's this app I'm using to download some teachings and also Christian music. Where is it? Let me show you. Yes, this is it. Ninja Sermons app. This one here. This one. I hope you can see it. This one. I'm using it to download most of my teachings I listen to, especially that of Apostle Sermon. See, Apostle Sermon, especially his preachings. So I download most of his preachings from here. You can see 2023 messages. I can just come here like this. 2023 messages, and then anyone you want to download, anyone that appeases you, you can just do that immediately. You can see making spiritual investments, sound alarm, whatever. Making 23 MB. See, downloading immediately. So that is it, guys.